everyone, hi, welcome back. My name is Abhilasha Singh, and if you're new here, I bring to you easy breezy makeup and hair tutorials every Tuesday. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for your continuous support, and today I have yet another amazing tutorial for this beautiful salon style blow dried hair. The shine, it's a little work, but well, if you want your hair to look like this for 4-5 days, blow drying hair in certain techniques helps it stay longer. The correct products for shine, for volume, for the bounce, the effect of this is all explained in detail like I always do. So without much delay, let's begin. To get a salon style blowout effect, you're always supposed to start with wet hair. So I was just in the shower, I washed my hair, I conditioned my hair, and now I'm just going to open this up. Your hair has to be around 50% wet. If you do this, especially on frizzy hair, that is when your hair will settle down and it will last longer. It will last you 3 or 4 days. So with this hair, the first product that I'm going to put, this leave-in heat protectant by Color Wow. It is especially for fine hair and thinning hair. All you have to do is take one pump. Take a couple of pumps and you're going to massage it in your hands and comb it through. Go from mid-lengths to ends. Mid-lengths to ends. You have to be away from the roots. You cannot put a lot of products on your roots or your hair will be flat. We are trying to do a volume salon style blowout at home. So be careful of that. The next I'm going to take is going to be this BUMBLE in BUMBLE. This is especially for your roots to look voluminous. If you don't have this product, you can use any mousse that you get around. It's completely fine. I'm going to use this BUMBLE in BUMBLE and just on the roots. And then you massage it in. It has to be section by section, and I'm going to just use this in the front section, not anywhere else. The next product is going to be this Color Wow Shine Spray. Again, this is also a heat protectant, and this gets activated only in wet hair. So section by section, you're supposed to take, spray it all over. This gives a very, very beautiful shine. These are your roots, this is your mids, this is your ends. So make sure you spray it all over. Today I'm going to use the traditional blow dryer. I have a Dyson as well, but I'm going to be using a normal blow dryer. This gives you more effect, it is stronger, the curls last longer, the shine lasts longer. I like Dyson, I love Dyson, but the shine that you get with the power of a normal blow dryer is very less. This is one of the lightest brushes and it's got a BOAR bristle brush. What this bristle does is adds more shine to your hair. And this is by IBIZA tools, one of the most lightest brushes. So when you're doing this action, your arms are not going to hurt because it is so light. I'm taking this normal blow dryer and in the medium heat, you have your highest, you have your medium, and then this is your cold. So I'm going to take my medium heat right there. This is the part where we had put that voluminous foam by BUMBLE in BUMBLE to create volume here. So I am going to go, and it is also how you blow dry it. It has to go alternate sides. So my roots are dry now by 25%, and I have a little volume already. You see that? Once your hair is about 75% dry, I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to take these rubber bands instead of clips, because at home you usually don't have clips. So I'm going to use rubber bands to create a full volume blow dry. This nozzle on a hair dryer directs your heat. You know, when you're blow drying, your air has to fall on your hair like this. That is when it makes that shape or gives that shine. Hair has this cuticle. The cuticle is open when you wash the hair. When you put in products and when you heat it, it seals down. That is when you get your shine. So the first step is going to be, it's very important to work in clean sections. So my first section is going to be this front part. And what I'm going to do with the rest of the hair is take any flat clip like this. You can take bobby pin also, or any clip that you have. This is my first section. Comb it nicely. Your hair should not have knots. You see that? And let's go ahead. I'm going to now take it at the highest heat. Now this, my friends, is a lot of arm workout. Make sure you turn it around like this. And you go in the motion of 3. 1, 2, 3. Always lift it up, turn it here, and very slowly pull it down. You see that shine? We want shine also. And when it's in the ends, you have to turn it in and keep it there. Just everywhere you put heat, wait for 5 seconds. That's all. Don't overheat. It has to stop when the hair is nicely done. Just hold it there for a couple of minutes and then we will tie it away. When you're in the front section of the hair, because your face is here, make sure that you use the medium heat. Don't go the highest heat. When you're starting off, start with medium and then you can go the highest. We're just going to take the ends to just give it that inward shape. So take your hair, put it in the brush and roll it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to clip this right here. Just like that. Now you have to do section by section the whole hair. So I'm going to take this first section right here. The reason why we concentrate putting heat on the roots is because that is where most of your frizz is. The motion of the blow dryer is also important. It always has to face down. The nozzle has to face down. Make sure that all the section of your hair is dry. There should not be any section that is wet. Just like that, I'm going to section this off. We are just doing a salon style blowout. We are not doing a out curl or in curl. We're giving it a volume and we're giving it a shine. Again, the same thing here. You see the movement I'm creating? This is called over direction. Now when the hair is pulled front, that is when it goes back, it will give you the volume. Again, make sure everything is dry. You see that lovely shine? This is that Color Wow spray, the shine spray, and of course the heat and also the bristles of the brush. Everything matters. The heat, the amount of heat matters, what brush you use and what products you use. Every time you finish applying the heat, give it 5 to 10 seconds to restructure the hair. You know, from wet to medium to dry. The hair is restructuring. You know, hair and skin have their own minds. Like sometimes, you know, you play with that hair and there'll be that one little hair that doesn't just sit and you go like, oh, how do I make it sit? But they have their own mind until you actually use a very strong spray or a strong gel. I am putting a rubber band here because I do not want to use, a flat clip will not hold all my hair. And when you're doing at home, if you're doing section by section, you need something to keep that hair away. I'm going to finish this section now. I'm just going to take the entire section. This tension is extremely important, especially when you have curly hair here. This, how you hold the brush, you need to have that tension that will hold your hair and it will not let it fall. See the tension and you see how smooth it became now. Let's go ahead and see. Now the trick of letting this hair stay the way it is, shiny and beautiful, is you're gonna take your hair dryer, you're gonna remove the nozzle, whichever hair dryer you have, you're going to go in this 0, that means it's cold, and the highest power. This is your medium, but when you do this and you do this, it is a cold blast. It is no heat, but the cold blast will hold your hair like this for long. So your heat has to be 0 and your blast has to be high. This in salon language is called a blast dry. Literally a blast dry. My shine is there. My volume is there. What do you say? I'm going to take this very beautiful shine. It's called Pop and Lock. It's usually used for curls, but I also use it for my blow dry. I don't want to use any hairspray, so these are the only products I will be using. You can use a little more in case you have thicker hair and you want the roots to be settled well. Very lightly, you blend it with your hand and very lightly. What do you think? Beautiful, right? You can style the hair the way you want once it's salon dried. I'm not a person who uses a lot of heat on my hair, but if I blow dry my hair once a week, it stays for about 4-5 days, so I don't have to do anything much to it. So yes, enjoy this lovely blowout, salon style blowout with shine at home. The products are very, very important. You can take any shine product that is heat protected. It has a little shine, but it also protects the hair from the heat of the blow dryer. and have a lovely Valentine's Day. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I will see you next Tuesday then. Take care. Bye.